So today we're going to be looking at the Fotopro UFO 2. Here we go. So we're going to set it up various places around the house, get an idea of how good it is to connect. So this thing is a lot cheaper than buying a Gorilla Pod or a Jobby. So let's see exactly how good it is. Now I picked this up for just £10 or $10 or €10 on the Black Friday deals. So I'm not expecting lots for £10, but let's see. So there we go, a highly flexible bit of kit there. I found it really easy to use, and I found that it was very secure and tight, and I wasn't worried about my camera falling off at any stage. So obviously I've only used this with a compact camera and also with my compact camera system here. So I'm not sure what size it goes up to, so that's worth checking out. But I'm pretty sure it takes a bigger camera. It's really secure. It's really good. I would highly recommend it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.